I'm on my way to Diamond Valley, which is the main destination of today's ride, and we'll also see some nice landscapes, rolling hills, and just continue exploring Calgary and its beautiful surroundings on a bicycle. So, about today's ride, which I think can be treated as episode 2 of my YYCycling vlog. It should be 100 kilometers. I built it in Komoot, which is, by the way, a really nice app to build cycling route. I started in Cranston, then went through Fulfillo, Legacy and Walden, turned left to the highway 2A, and yeah, the rest is history. The landscapes are really beautiful because I'm in the, I guess it's the foothills county, so the mountains are super close. The snow caps are just mesmerizing, and I think right now is the perfect weather to ride a bicycle, because it's gonna be 21 degrees Celsius max, not too hot, not too cold. That was worth stopping. Interesting fact that before 2023 Diamond Valley was actually 2 separate towns. It was Turner Valley and Black Diamond, but then it was all amalgamated, incorporated into this single unit with the name of Diamond Valley. It's one of my most favorite locations close to Calgary. Obviously very accessible on a car, but on a bicycle, especially if you live close to southwest, recommend. Alright, 56 kilometers in and I'm in Diamond Valley. I'm a simple man today, so that will be my lunch. Not a lot of offers today. This looks nice. Alright, change of plans. As usual, as I mentioned before, I thought that I would go west and north through Millerville onto the 22nd highway, but I'm feeling like going through Okotoks today, so that's where I'm headed now. The lunch, by the way, was fine. I'm a frequent user of Tim Hortons. I'm not a big fan of the pizza, but the cappuccino and Timbit, even at 2 p.m, I like it too much. So I would say overall 6 out of 10. Stick with me for future fast food chains reviews. Alright, quick stop in Okotoks just to catch your breath. It's been a long time since I had this feeling when you're just battling, noticing some interesting things that surround you on the road, the nature, the houses, and you're kind of like in this almost a nirvana. If it would be and it's not too hot today. I mean, it's perfect, like 20 degrees Celsius. If it's 30, that would be some wild dreams that I would see with my eyes wide open. Alright, but yeah, I'm almost home. 76 kilometers. This is a really nice ride. Alright, just a few minutes of rest and I will hit the road. I'm home, 100 kilometers done. That's gonna be it for today's second episode of YYCycling. Again, keep on exploring Calgary and its beautiful surrounding areas. Today was Diamond Valley, Okotoks. We'll see what's gonna be in the next one. Let me know of your favorite spots. And I wanna congratulate all of us with the beginning of cycling season. Like the proper spring, almost slash summer, has welcomed us, and we are much grateful for it. All right, thank you guys. Until the next one. Bye.